How to connect NotebookLM to Gemini. Simple method, chat level connection. 1. Open the Gemini app. 2. Click the plus attachment icon in the prompt box. 3. Look for a NotebookLM option in the list. If it's there, tap it. 4. Select the notebook you want to use as a source. Now, when you chat, Gemini will pull answers directly from that notebook's content instead of just general knowledge. Note, users need NotebookLM access turned on by their admin to use this feature, and this setting is controlled through the NotebookLM service setting in the admin console, not the Gemini app setting. This mainly applies if you're on a Workspace or managed account. Personal Google accounts should just see the option appear. Newer method, full sync via notebooks. Google has gone further with a feature called Notebooks. Any notebook you create in NotebookLM automatically appears in Gemini's navigation, and you can view, edit, and chat with it from either app. Changes you make in one app sync to the other. Renaming, adding sources, updating instructions, it will sync to the other. If you don't see updates immediately, just refresh. You can also start from the Gemini side. Click New Notebook in the side panel. Add files, PDFs, give it custom instructions, and it will sync back to NotebookLM. If you don't see the option yet, the rollout has been staged, so it may not have hit your account yet. Worth checking again in a week or two if it's missing.